Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the best application for your iPhone for the audio modes and best app for playing YouTube videos in background. So it's a kind of a free Spotify version. The app is running great, zero ads, without pause, free, totally free. You can play any song, you can find any artist. So let's start without any problem. Let's proceed. As you guys can see here, this is the app icon. You guys can check here. I'll show you the app title or the app name, but let me show you the app interface first. So you guys can see here. So this is the great application I have found. So what you can do, just search for any of the artists you want to. So I have played this artist song. So you guys can see here, I can just simply play any song without ads. This is showing me a banner ad, but it's not pausing music. I can even just go back and play music in the background, so that I don't need to like keep the screen turned on every time I'm playing songs. Even it's playing in the lock screen, so it's saving my battery, saving my data, and I can play any song. The good thing is I can do customizations with that music. So you guys can see here, it shows me this audio modes here. So I can just simply speed up, slow down, nightcore, daycore, muffled, slow and reverb songs, or I can unlock these audio modes here, right? I can follow the artist here, I can rate it, I can create my playlist, I can even download and play offline music, I can share this song. That's the really good thing. So this is the, you can find here information about this. You can see total plays, you can more for from this artist, you can play all the songs from the, so I'm playing Sidhu Moosewala, so you can find every song here from any artist, anything on YouTube you can play here. So this is the really good application. I'm using this. The best thing is I can even play it from the, while using any other app, or while in the background, or while in the lock screen, and it didn't pause anything while showing me the banner ads. So you can try this app. The app name is AudioMac. You can find this in the App Store officially. You don't need to like go to the third party websites and go for this app. This is officially on the App Store, and like pretty much with the good ratings. So go ahead and download this app. This was not any sponsored or any kind of a paid video, so I'm just recommending this app because I'm using this and it's working good. So this was the whole simple fix. Hope you guys find this trick helpful, or just find this app good. So I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel, please.